major announcement from the UP government. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath says that he has approved land ownership rights for the Hindu refugees from Bangladesh who have been living in the state for decades. Over 10,000 families in UP are set to benefit from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's landmark decision to grant land ownership rights to refugees. Now, this initiative not only provides legal security but also aims to rehabilitate and empower thousands of settlers who have been living in the state for decades without any proper ownership. Let's take a look as far as the closer look on those districts are concerned where this land allotment exercise will take place. The beneficiaries that have settled across Pilibhit, Lakhimpur Kheri, in Bijnor, in Rampur, the 4 districts that have now been identified under this major rehabilitation drive. Now, this decision, however, has triggered sharp political reactions, with the UP Congress chief Ajay Rai hitting out at the Yogi Sarkar, calling this move as a divisive and deliberate attempt to pit Hindus against Muslims. Echoing similar sentiments is Samajwadi Party leaders as well, saying that India does not discriminate on the basis of religion, questioning why faith is a factor in this decision. On the other hand, State Minister Baldev Singh has lauded the move, calling it as a bold and much needed step by the Yogi Sarkar.
सरकार केवल और केवल हिंदू और मुसलमान और हिंदू केवल बंटवारे की राजनीति कर रही है। कभी ये छांगुर बाबा को लाती है, कभी ये अनावश्यक रूप से जहां मस्जिद को गिराने का काम करती है, मंदिरों को तोड़ने का काम करती है, और पूरी तरीके से जबरदस्ती कॉरिडोर के नाम पर आपने देखा वृंदावन के अंदर वहां भी कब्जा करने का प्रयास किया, है। तो ये केवल और केवल बंटवारे का काम करते हैं। तो जनता समझ चुकी है, अब इनको जवाब दे रही है।
ये अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है। आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने जो उनको घर देने की बात कर रहे हैं, बेशक वो ऐसे समय में वहां से आए प्रताड़ित होकर, लेकिन ये स्वामी विवेकानंद का भारत है। स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के मुताबिक भारत धर्मों में विभेद नहीं करता है। हुकूमतें कर सकती हैं। जिन भारतीय फौजों की मदद बांग्लादेशी नागरिकों ने करी थी, पाकिस्तान की साइड से जिस तरह का कत्लेआम उनके साथ हुआ, वो भारत में आए, और पिछले करीब 50 साल से भारत में वो बांग्लादेशी मुसलमान भी रह रहे हैं। तो हमारा ये मानना है कि जो लोग भारत के साथ खड़े होकर पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ जिन्होंने मदद करी, उसमें धर्म देखने की क्या जरूरत है।
देश को 76 साल हो गए हैं देश आजाद हुए, मगर किसी भी मुख्यमंत्री ने ये बात नहीं सोची कि आपने देखा, चाहे पाकिस्तान, जब हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान का बंटवारा हुआ, उसके बाद बहुत सारे लोग, सिख समाज के लोग, बांग्लादेश के जब ये बंटवारा हुआ तो बहुत सारे बंगाली लोग और बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे जो बंटवारे के समय इधर उधर भटकते रहे, और उन्होंने अपना जहां बैठे थे अपना वहां बैठने का काम किया। मगर मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि उनको माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, क्योंकि जहां तक उन्हें अभी तक भूमि का अधिकार उनको नहीं मिला था।
Well, Adib is connected with us live. Adib, good morning. Of course, we'll get to the political aspect of it. But when it comes to this exercise, the rehabilitation drive that has now been carried out on part of Yogi administration, it is being said that it is not merely a matter of land transfer, but also an opportunity to honor the life struggles of thousands of families who took refuge in India.
Well, definitely, Amita, and this is the main motive that Chief Minister Yogi has announced, that around 10,000 families, those who were displaced from the then East Pakistan and now Bangladesh at around the time period of 1960 to 1975, those 10,000 families who came to Uttar Pradesh will be given the land, and the land will be allotted to them with the help of the local administration. And in fact, these families have been living in the districts of Rampur, Lakhimpur Kheri, and several other districts. And now the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has given these directions that these 10,000 families will be given the land in the state of Uttar Pradesh, as they have been living in Uttar Pradesh for decades, and now it's the time to honor them by giving them the land that they need to live in the state of Uttar Pradesh. And Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, while yesterday holding a meeting, has given these directives to the state administration that they should ensure that the proper land acquisition is being done, and for them the land is being given to these 10,000 families who got displaced from the then East Pakistan, Amita.
All right. As far as when it comes to thousands of families who took refuge in India have long awaited rehabilitation for decades, saying that this approach is a matter which, connects with empathy and also a sense of moral responsibility. Now, Adib, who continues to be with us,